Hello, in this video I would like to demonstrate how I discovered the process of getting a file from NCBI GEO, I'll come back to that, to the point where we could analyze it using Galaxy, this free software at UC Davis. So I had found this series of instructional videos analyzing public data sets, introduction to Galaxy, and there's a few more over here. It goes all the way to 7. The challenge, however, brought about from this was that when you download your NGS or RNA SEQ, RNA-seq files from NCBI GEO, this one I'm interested in the ZMAs, a study on that. This is one, the effect of drought. But anyway, when we click on this here for one of the samples, it describes the sample, of course. And then down here we see you can download this file from an FTP, and it is an SRA extension. So there's a folder. And then here it is with a .sra, and it's 2 gigabytes. So I've already downloaded that into a file. So I have that information. Once I had it as an SRA, I discovered from these videos that it had to be converted to what's called a, let me find it here, I'm forgetting the names of these, a FASTQ file. So now what I want to do is demonstrate how I got the software from NCBI to do that. You can see it's an SRA toolkit that I've already installed here, but I'll show you how I got to that. So I did a search, found it here on NCBI, and this is the one I downloaded for my computer. By the way, I also downloaded this one, which installs nicely and does let you view these 2 gigabyte SRAs at the click of a button. You can't do anything except view it, but at least you can see what's in one of them. This one you have to install. Actually, it downloads as a zip, and then you unzip it. And that's where we'll go now, is the folder where it's unzipped. And so it ended up double folders here, but anyway, this is where we were. And then I read this and followed these instructions. So we come over here and type in command, and then you can see the command prompt there. Opens this little window, and you see I'm in users Clyde, and so what I need to do is to get into this folder here, bin, where this configuration assist is, because I need to type in this here once I get there. So this is when I'm glad I remember DOS, where and you can see it's right over in here as well, the old CD change directory. You can do a dir to see what's in the directory, so I need to change the directory to the SRA toolkit, so CD. You don't necessarily have to put the backslash on in there. SRA TOOLKIT 2B WIN 64, and then one more time. Remember, it put it in, it doubled the folder for some reason, simply because I didn't tell it where to put it so as not to do that. But anyway, it's just more typing. 64, and now CD bin. Could have done that all at once, but anyway. And so now is where I type PERL configuration dash assistant .perl. Now I went through this originally, and indeed came up the Perl was not recognized, so I went and I downloaded Perl from this site. I won't demonstrate that, and installed it. I had to restart my computer, and then this worked. So you'll see it'll work now. And so I said no, don't set up a password. Test the SRA files. I said yes to that. And enter an SRA file. You can do that if you want, but I just went to this, and so this now brings us back to here. And then I was wondering, how do I convert my file? Right? I need to go from SRA to FASTQ, and it's the FASTQ dump. So then I went, searched for a video. This video here, there's no audio to it. I guess there is. You can hear the keyboard. You can't, but I can. Anyway, and zooming in on that and getting some help by making mistakes in the command window, I discovered how to put the information in there, and let's get that recorded now. So I copied the, let's see, NCBI. Let's see, I've got the SRA file here. You can see I already did this, so I know it's going to work. So I'm in bin over here for the command. So I need to type in FASTQ dump. So FASTQ DUMP space, and then it is the dash sign and a capital A. This, you're telling it where you're going to get the, you can tell it first the file name, SRR 536834, and then you need to tell it where that is, and so you just click here and drag it over and drop it here. That tells it the source path, right? Directory route, or whatever you want to call it. Now a soft space in there, and then we do the O to tell it that we want it where we want to put the output. Then I just go back one directory here, copy this folder, the target folder. I just click on it, excuse me, and then drop it here, and then you just hit enter. Oh, over here I need to hit enter. So probably didn't like it because I'd already done this before, but the result last time was it created this FASTQ file. So I know it works. I haven't looked in here. Oh no, it just appended it. It just went to 9 gigabytes. Okay, that's probably not a good way to do it. Let me delete that. Let's do it again. So it is FASTQ dump A SRR 536834, and then tell it where it's coming from, and then a soft space, go back, tell it this is where I want it to go to. Oh wait, I gotta do the O first. Clicking in here activates the little space bar there, or the little flashing space, that thing there, whatever it's called, the cursor I guess, and then a soft space in there, and then we drop this. Now when we hit it, and we come back over here, we already have our FASTQ, and it's 19,200 kilobytes, so 19 meg. So I may need to learn more about exactly what it's doing, where we go from 2 gig to 19 megabytes. But anyway, just wanted to get this recorded before I forgot how to do it. So this would be the file now, the FASTQ, that we would use in Galaxy following the instructions in these instructional videos. That would be the file that we would end up uploading into Galaxy. So just follow the instructions of these training videos here. And now I just have to find my thing to turn off the recording.